Second day at Missouri turkey season. I was on a bird. He come up to my left probably 50 yards. My camera was pointed forward and he was to my left. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's snowing pretty good right now. And I think I'm going to be productive today, get some work done so I can turkey hunt more this week rather than on this cold, snowy day. So we'll see what tomorrow brings.
about that? Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Well, I hope I got my first one on film. I don't really know. I hope I did. I think it was in frame. The Missouri gobbler there. Well, I think I did it. Made my first gobbler on film. I'm super excited. I hope that it was in the frame when I shot. I'm pretty sure it was. I had two come in. They circled this ridge. I didn't shoot the first one. I was hoping they're going to make their way this way. There's another gobbler down there. And it looked like he was headed that way. This one was behind him. So I went ahead and I took this one. Nice beard. Decent spurs. Good old Missouri turkey here, boys. Well, I did it. Here's my first filmed turkey. First self-filmed turkey. I tried to take this all in. That was my goal for the year, to get a kill on film. I don't know how good the kill footage was. I think you could see his head in between the trees. It was either that or I wasn't gonna get him. I had a good time. I'm gonna try. It's 6:42 right now, so I'm gonna try to get back and show Riggs, my boy. Hopefully get a picture with him and it. It's our tradition. I just hope I can make it before he gets to school. So, pretty cool. The struggle is real. Self-filming. I'm trying to figure out a way past some of this stuff, because there's a lot, especially when you get a turkey. I'm gonna take this off and regroup. But anyways, it's fun.